Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. So let us talk about this topic on how to convert APK to IPA files. So firstly guys, converting APK to IPA isn't possible directly due to the fundamental differences between Android and iOS platforms. However, there are methods to achieve similar results by adapting your app for iOS. So firstly guys, the first app we have is Flutter. So this one is going to be very useful. So the app was originally developed in Flutter, but you can build it for iOS directly. Install Flutter and also Xcode, this one right here, on your Mac. Open your Flutter project in your IDE. After that guys, as you can see, I have a commands for you. So firstly, in the Xcode, you need to run the command that is in the top right here, this one. So this will generate an IPA file in the /build/iOS directory. And method number 2, you can install Xcode on your map. Sorry, this was going to be done in Flutter, my bad. So that first command. So this command was for Flutter. And now let us talk about the using the React Native. Install Xcode on your Mac, navigate to your React Native project folder, run the following command to generate the iOS build, which is this one, starting from the npx. And method number 3 is going to be manual porting. So if your app was built specifically for Android, the app code must be rewritten in Swift or Objective-C for iOS compatibility. Use tools like Xamarin or Unity for cross-platform development if starting from scratch. So guys, in general, that's how it's done. It's no easy process, but hopefully you enjoyed this video and it gave you some kind of guidance. I hope it did. Guys, press like, subscribe. See you next time.